Decision methods. You're on page 381 in your packet. First problem, what solutions, if any, do the inequalities negative 2t less than 6 and r plus 2 greater than or equal to 6 share? So let's solve them both. We got negative 2t less than 6 and r plus 2 greater than or equal to 6. Here we've got a negative 2 times some number is less than or equal to 6, so we undo multiplication by division. Remember, when we divide by a negative sign, we're going to flip the inequality sign. Make sure you write that word flip, because you divided by a negative, and 6 divided by negative 2 is negative 3, so t is greater than negative 3. Over here, we subtract 2 from both sides to undo addition. These two cancel out. R is greater than or equal to 4. So what do they share? We can graph all the solutions for this inequality. Here's 0 here. That means negative 3 is right there. And the solution includes every number bigger to infinity greater than negative 3. And we can do the same thing here. The 0 is right there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Includes 4 as a solution, and every number greater than 4 is greater than or equal to 4 as part of the solution. So all numbers for t, they share all numbers greater than or equal to 4 in their solutions. Go to page 384 now in your packet. It says the sum of 43.5 and a number n, so 43.5 plus n, is no greater than 50. So it's not bigger than 50, but it could be equal to 50, so we're saying less than or equal to 50. What are all possible values of n? Show your work. Well, here we have something plus n, so to undo that, subtract 43.5. Cancels out because 0 here. Drop down your n is less than or equal to 6.5. So every number that is equal to or less than 6.5 is part of your solution. Graph that by drawing a number line. Here's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 6.5 is going to be right in the middle there. And it's everything less than 6.5 or equal to it all the way to infinity. For number 8, Sebastian says the graph below shows the solution set of the inequality 2.5x greater than or equal to negative 28 degrees. Well, let's go ahead and solve it. 2.5x greater than or equal to negative 20. End up dividing by 2.5, because if we see multiplication, we undo it by division. This cancels off, so x needs to be greater than or equal to negative 8. And I would say this is incorrect, because this graph says everything less than negative 8, because it's all the numbers to the left of negative 8, when our answer wanted to be greater than negative 8. And so how we would redraw this is we'd say, okay, here's your graph. Here's 0, negative 4, negative 8, negative 12. We're including negative 8, but now we're taking all the numbers that are greater than negative 8 to infinity. So including 4, 8, 12. So I just had it go the opposite way. For your exit ticket, it says solve the inequality negative 48 less than negative 18 and graph your solution. So this is the original problem. If I were you, I would rewrite it such that the variable is on the other side. So negative 8t, flipping my sign, negative 48. Now you should easily be able to be like, okay, I gotta divide. Watch out for a flip, because you're going to be dividing by this negative 8, right? And when I divide by negative 8, that flips the inequality sign. So when you graph, put a 0 here, whatever your solution is, think about, does that include the solution or not include the solution? Remember, less than or equal to are going to give you closed circles. Then the arrow points in the direction that the inequality sign points in. Greater than or less than give you open circles, and then the arrow points in the direction the inequality sign points. Make sure you ask for your exit ticket.